if 5 upon 3 raised to minus 5 into 5 upon 3 raised to 11 equals to 5 upon 3 raised to 8 plus x, then find x. Here, or point number 1, the bases are same. So the formula for this is, if a raised to x into a raised to y equals to, here bases are same, take 1 as a base, a only, and then add these x plus y. So left hand side will become what? 5 upon 3 into x plus y minus 5 plus 11, right? And right hand side as it is, 8 plus x. So bases are same, so we can equate the indices. So minus 5 plus x equals to 8 plus x, right? Always remember, if the bases are same in maths, you can definitely equate the indices. So minus 5 plus 11, 8 plus x. Solve this, you will get 6, 8 plus x, then x plus 8 will write it reverse. So x equals to 6 minus 8, that is minus 2.